When marriages break up, one of the main concerns is where the children will live and how they will be cared for. Navigating child custody laws could be highly complex, especially for immigrant and refugee parents, even more so if the separating parents cannot agree. That's when often the family court gets involved. If you find yourself on the verge of separation or a custody battle in Germany, here are a few tips to keep in mind. As a married couple, parents automatically have joint custody. That means both parents are equally involved and have a say in children's upbringing, also after divorce. Parents with joint custody can use different models after divorce. For instance, the child could stay with each parent for half a week or every other week. If you are unsure which co-parenting model works best after divorce, ask the Youth Welfare Office for advice. One may lose custody of their child if the proper court determines it is essential for the child's well-being. That is, when it's established that living with the parents or a parent endangers the child's psychological or physical health. For instance, in cases of domestic violence, physical or psychological abuse, addiction, or severe neglect, the perpetrator may lose custody of the children. However, not having a job or enough money or a secure residence permit cannot make you lose custody. Visitation rights are different from custody rights. Even if one parent holds sole custody, the other, in principle, has the right to visit their child and spend time with them. How much and when is something parents can agree upon privately with the help of the Youth Welfare Office or go to court for. You do not need custody to obtain a residence permit. If your child has a residence permit or German passport and you don't, having visitation rights means that, as a parent, you too can stay in Germany. That means you do not necessarily have to hold your child's custody to remain in Germany and be able to spend time with your child. In the family court, your child will have an ad litem guardian or Verfahrensbeistand. In custody battles, the family court's main priority is the child's well-being. That's why the guardian, often a Youth Welfare Office personnel, is assigned. They talk to both parents and the child and may visit the child at both parents' houses to have a first-hand idea about the family's living situation. Their role is not to advocate for you or your spouse. They are there as an independent observer to tell the court what they think is best for the child. Seek counseling and mediation from the Youth Welfare Office. Court proceedings for custody could be lengthy and costly. You may need to hire a lawyer, and often children, even if they're too young to understand what's happening, must also appear in court. The Youth Welfare Office is very much involved in custody court proceedings. They can offer you free mediation and counseling so that you and your child don't have to go through a tedious, stressful, pricey court proceeding. Please note that we mainly talked about married couples and their children today. To learn about custody laws applying to unmarried parents and their children, check out the child custody chapter on our website. For more detailed, case-specific information, you can always visit our community platform Together in Germany and seek specialized advice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.